Welcome to Irene Space. If you are meeting for the first time, my name is Maureen. I'm a stay-at-home mom. Yes, I'm a stay-at-home mom. And I'm the face behind Irene Scrunchies, or what we commonly refer to as hair bands. Yes, these are the things I make to get something to put in my pocket as a stay-at-home mom. As a stay-at-home mom, you listening to me outside there, you know how difficult it is to cope without something you call your own, your money, something that you can spend without necessarily asking for permission. You know how difficult it can be and how frustrating it can be to live without such a thing. So, well, I thought about this when I was making these products, and I said to myself, there are moms outside there also who need something to help them bring some income, no matter how little it is, to bring some income and also help their spouses. You know, the economy right now is very tough. So I came up with this idea. I said, why don't I come up with a space to help teach other moms also? Plus, other young people would like to learn, or those in their 50s, 60s, 40s. This is something you can also do. So I decided, let me create this space and help others also. So welcome so much. I have numerous projects for you, projects that you can learn, execute, and make money out of. The sooner you master them, the sooner you start making money out of them. It is not a get rich quick thing, you know. Everything that brings in money needs hard work. So you're also going to need to be consistent in doing this. So welcome so much. Our first project, as I've said, we are going to have several projects, but I would like to start with the simple ones. Simple ones meaning this is something you can learn even within an hour if you have the time. If you're a mom, stay-at-home mom like me, when you get your baby down to sleep, it is something you can dedicate your 2 hours to learn. By the time you'll be making your third scrunchie or hairband, you'll be having your 50 shillings in your pocket. Yes, it's that simple. Yes. So, I've decided that we'll get started with the scrunchie one because with this you won't need so much. In fact, you won't need even to invest a coin in it, especially for the learning part. I know you have a needle, that sewing needle that you use to repair your clothes at home. It's 10 shillings. If you don't have it, then you'll need a thread, sewing thread or sewing thread, then a small piece of fabric. Because for the learning session, you can take just a piece of fabric that you're not using around your home, something just tiny like this. This is one that I've cut, ready to be sewn, like this. So just need to get a small piece like that, a needle, then a thread, and we get started. Like I've said, there's so many projects, but let's start with this. Make sure you subscribe, please, and make sure you turn on your notification bell, because I'm going to drop these videos and I'd love for you to learn them and make money out of it. My mission is to help you at least get something. So make sure you subscribe, please. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you.